So guys, we're here now in Sagada Pottery. Okay. So ito na tayo. Sagada Pottery. Alex, go! So ito na tayo ngayon sa pottery making, Sagada Pottery. Okay. Ano kaya pinagkaiba nito sa Bigan? So we've been to Bigan and we already did pottery. So here, what's the difference? Let's see.
Titingnan ko lang.
Ganda ng pine trees, oh. Sarap. Ang lamig dito, guys. Doble ang lamig sa Baguio. So this is Sagada Pottery. Parang maliit lang siya. Mas malaki yung sa Bigan, okay? So ayan. Tara, let's get inside. I'll tour you around the pottery area. So this is Sagada Pottery. Okay, let's go inside. Ay, malaki pala siya hanggang taas. So, dito yung mga display, mga finish item. Dito yung paggawa. Ayan. Let's go. Dahan-dahan ng akyat. Ayan. Ang gaganda, ha. In fairness. So, we're here in Sagada Pottery. And today is our day 2. Today's date is Saturday, November 26, 2022. So, ayan. Ang daming tao. Ang daming tourist dito sa Sagada. So, ayan. Shout out. Subscribe muna kayo sa akin. Search me in YouTube, ah. Leonora Magpayo Rivera. So, dito, ano meron dito? Lecture, seminar, orientation. Ayan, ang aking mga ka-travel buddies.
Yung demo pin nyo po? Demo pin nyo ma?
Sagada Pottery. So, they have Sigrid, Desi, Marisa, and Odette. So, use your eyes, not your hands.
May 5 pesos ka na?
The entrance. Wala. How much? How much? Okay. May tinda rin siya. Ang galing. May snackan. Nak, gusto mo bread?
Isang sino mo? Ito natin dyan eh. Ito.
Cellphone mo, nakakita mo na.
Gusto mo? Ay, asa na si Alex?
Nanay, pasabihin nga isa.
Magkano isa?
Kaya ka nung pagdali pa? Ano, 2019. Oo, last suga.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sagada Pottery. I'm Sigrid. I'm one of the workers here at this workshop. Set up in 2000 by Archie Stapleton. He is a son of a missionary who grew up here in the 1960s. He saw the potential of the local clay and the local soil for pottery production. That's why he set this up as an alternative livelihood for the community. Tatlong klase ang pottery. Merong earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. Earthenware is low-fired. Stoneware and porcelain are high-fired. We specialize in stoneware. Niluluto ng 2,350 degrees. Around Sagada, we get the clay, we test it at that temperature. If it's good, we get it in bulk, soak it in water, we save it until it goes through a very fine mesh, 40 mesh. Pag lumabas doon, very, very watery, we have to keep it dry for at least 4 months to age. For at least 3 weeks bago ganito ang itsura. Hindi siya pagpulutin doon, not pwede na dito, kailangan i-test at i-proseso. Kasi po hindi lahat ng lupa ay clay, hindi lahat ng clay ay pwede. I'll show you the making of the pot with the demo fee of 300 for the whole group. If somebody wants to try, it's paid individually at 100 per head. Is it okay? Okay, first I have to center it.
Pwede ko mag-picture.
Pwede po.
Ayun yung...
Once it's centered, everything starts with the cylinder. To make the cylinder, I have to pull the clay from the bottom to the top gradually. I'm pulling the clay with both pressure from my left and right, going with the speed of the wheel to maintain the centerness. My hand should be the one controlling the clay, not the clay controlling my hands to keep the shape for it not to collapse. This is a very basic shape. From here you can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes. Right now, there's more pressure from my inside hand, pushing it outwards, supporting sa kanang kamay. Here in the middle, pressure from my right, pushing it inwards, supporting sa left hand. Then outwards again at the very, very top to make a flower vase.
Nice.
So easy when you look at it.
Easy to watch. Pwedeng enhance yung shape niya if you narrow it down here.
How
Pwede rin
long?
pong maging pichel, paglagyan ng muso na ganyan.
Ay, galing. How long have you
Let
been
it dry
making
for
that?
5 days. After 5 days, we put the handle, trim the bottom, then we dry it for 1 month, air dry only. Put it in the oven for 12 hours of firing, wait for 2 days of cooling down, we bring it out, then apply the glazes. After glaze application, we have to cook it again for 14 to 16 hours of glaze firing para po kumintab at lumabas ang kulay niya. Hindi pintura na ipahid natin, makikita na kaagad ang kulay, kailangang iluto. Para safe siya for food containers, they're microwavable and the color doesn't fade. Your question, ma'am?
That's good.
How many years have you been making pottery?
22 years.
Wow, 2 decades.
Gano'ng katagal yung finished product?
From forming,
Sigrid.
2 months. At least 2.5 months.
Hindi siya instant.
May mag-hands-on sa inyo? Anyone?
Oh, go. Volunteer. Volunteer.
Go, Tim!
Ayoko nga.
Friend, go na.
Wala lang, friend. Go, Tim! Go, kaya mo baby! Ako naman support sa'yo.
Yes, let's go.
Go, take it.
Ay, titig na titig ka.
Go na, Tim! Kaya mo na yan!
Go,
Kaya mo na yan!
Go, friend. Go. Ano na video niya?
No judgment.
Oh, no! Tayo pa ba?
Baby, close your
Tayo
eyes.
judgmental. Disclaimer lang.
Ano, mababawasan kayo o ano?
Ang nagawa ko nga dati, platito lang.
Ginanong mo lang. Shot glass. Shot glass.
Ano siya?
Tapos ang nakikita mo, nakwento yung mga kasamahang na nakaubos ng puto. Mga hayop na. Go, Tiki. Hindi ko nga.
Ayan na, ready na.
Hindi ko kaya.
Alalayan ka naman. Alalayan ka.
Pakialis yung
Baby, kaya ng malaki yan.
Oh, go, go, friend.
Yan yan.
Si Anne.
Anne and with Orlando, all the kids. Christina, sina Jonah, sina David. Pero nung 2000 or 2001, nandito si David kasama niya ang tatay niya. Nung gumagawa kasi kami, ang purpose talaga ni Manong Archie is to teach. So,
Okay.
tinuturo niya. Siya, ang ginagawa niya lang, gawa lang.
Create artist.
Oo, pero ang goal kasi ng workshop is to
To
teach
teach.
sana. Nung 2001 So,
Umalis na
pero umalis siya, hindi ano. Pero may kasama siya doon, sinong nagbabantay?
Parang ano lang, helper or one of the
Kasi just recently, Manang Christina came to visit eh.
dito po.
Hindi, sa kanya. Nag-post siya.
Kumari may mga tanong na.
Ito.
Ito po. Ayan.
Vlog.
Dapat madapa ka rin para maisali sa vlog, ano?
No, that's impossible.
Pati yung mga finished product sa baba, sali mo.
Siyempre, kasama po yun. Use your eyes, not your hands.
You're welcome very much. I'll be careful with your... Hala na dirty dyan siya. Excuse me. Kuha lang ako mo.
Murag butangan ni mo mga
Get out. Wala naman tayong bibili. May gusto ka bang bilhin, be?
Ay.
No? So, hi guys. So, this is Sagada Pottery. Today is Saturday, day 2 in our tour. And day today is November 26,
Punta ka sa Quezon?
2022. Bye. Thanks for watching.